It is here, the new addition to the Camaro, but it's coming back to the channel. What's up, Team 46? Welcome back to another video and welcome back to the channel. And after 6 long months of waiting, your boy finally received his carbon fiber spoiler from C7 Carbon. So let's jump into this real quick. So as you guys can see here, your boy got 2 of those big Wayne games. You know, he officially in there. You ain't really in there unless you got 2. So, to make a long story short though, the difference between these 2 that I can see so far is that when I was installing this one, they added these grooves here in all 3, which makes it easier to put these on. Now, if you look at here, these are laying flat. They don't have any grooves, and you can see like this the gray part of the insulation from there. Versus this one here, looking at this spoiler here, they have these grooves. You lay these up in there and it protects that so no water won't be actually touching on any elements. So that's the difference that I'm seeing here. And also, it looked like I only have like 1 screw here. I'll figure that out when I install it. But as you can tell, what C7 Carbon claimed to be that this wing would be better built than this wing. And as you can tell, this is the issue that I had where this popped off. And for some reason, I guess it's an easy fix. We'll figure that out. If I take to the body shop, they could possibly fix it, but I'm not gonna do that because they gave me this new wing here for free. Yeah, $3.99. Yeah. So I'm gonna go back to installing this and then y'all see the finishing results. I'm back in the building, baby. Hey. Share with you guys when I told you guys that they only had 1 screw. So C7 Carbon gave me another screw. It's like, and then it goes all the way up through here to that other piece that need to be screwed in together. Very simple to do. It's just a pain if you don't have the right tool set. And the same on this side, and the same under here as well. So that's pretty nice. But besides that, everything looks good on here. Look at that. I like that finish. It's sitting high just like how I want it. Look at that. Ooh, that is so mean. It's so nasty. And like that wrapped this video up. Hopefully this explained to you guys that C7 Carbon been trying to, and I'm not an ambassador for them. I just bought their products out of my hard-earned money. But this should explain you guys the difference between the version 1 and the version 2 or version 3, whatever they decide to call this, because they did so many different versions. But hopefully this clears it up. So the next wing that you decide to purchase, it should look like the one I have, with the same pillars and so forth. So like that, if you like this video, be sure to hit that like button. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and that bell icon to stay up to date with all the videos. And I'll see you guys in the next one.